In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube from looking like this to looking like this, aka how to enable dark mode on YouTube. It's going to be a quick and easy tutorial, and just hit that thumbs up button if because of this video you were able to turn on dark mode. And then without further ado, let's
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.